Seriously? It's a fox, man. You can't turn right there. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. You can't turn right there, that's all. What the f you did, bro? Stop. What the f
The use of indicators.
Sorry, but we did, yeah. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh yeah, phone. Go, get on the phone. I'll take the smallest car in the world.